The power of small steps. A boy named Rahul dreamed of success. He wanted to achieve great things. But he felt very ordinary. Many people doubted him. They said his dreams were too big. Rahul felt discouraged sometimes. Yet he never gave up. He decided to take one small step daily. Every morning he woke up early. He spent time learning new skills. Some days were difficult. Some days felt impossible. Still, he kept moving forward. He learned from every mistake. Failure became his teacher. Success did not come quickly. Months passed by slowly. Rahul stayed patient. He trusted the process. His confidence grew each day. People started noticing his efforts. Their opinions began to change. Rahul continued working hard. He never looked for shortcuts. He focused on improvement. 1 year later, everything changed. Rahul achieved his first big goal. His family felt proud. His friends congratulated him. The same people who doubted him smiled. Rahul thanked everyone kindly. He remembered his struggles. He remembered the hard days. Those challenges made him stronger. Rahul learned an important lesson. Big dreams start with small actions. Consistency beats talent sometimes. Patience creates great results. Every step matters. Every effort counts. Never stop learning. Never stop believing. Never stop trying. Your future depends on today's actions. Small steps can change your life. Keep moving forward every day. One day your dreams will become reality. Success belongs to those who never quit. Hard work always brings rewards. Believe in yourself every day. Stay focused on your goals. Your journey is your strength. Every challenge hides an opportunity. Keep growing and keep improving. The best time to start is now. Your dream life is waiting for you. Take the first step today. Flexed Bicep Sparkles. Please subscribe.